Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is a 69 Mercury Cougar Eliminator, and I personally loved this one because of the color scheme. As I used to have I still have that at my at my home, in my native place. So those were like those 10 rupee cars back in the days we usually used to get. I still have that green color one. So this just reminded me of that one, so I actually bought this, and this is only one in the box if you guys are wondering. And I'm planning to keep this in this box, and I'm by replacing any one of this here, either a Jaguar or the McLaren. So I really don't like those that much. So let's unbox this. Okay, I bought this for 179, which is the MRP. Not much. I mean, that itself is much, but not more than the MRP. Okay, so here it is. So out of the box, the casting looks good. It is not that heavy. So the paint job, it has some scratches here. I don't know if it is visible to you guys on the roof. So I'm really losing that confidence in Hotwheels when it comes to the paint job. Cougar, Eliminator. Okay, these logo placements are really nice. Okay, here there was supposed to be that logo, but they just chromed it out. So the interior is also chromed out. So the wheels looks really nice, and the entire body is metal, including the spoilers. And the chassis is actually plastic, and it is chromed out. It does look really nice. The pinstriping looks really nice. So rest of the car looks really nice. It is a glittery green, the entire paint job. So I think it's kind of olive green if I'm not wrong. Okay, let's do a roll test real quick. Okay, so let me tell you something, guys. The wheels really don't touch the track. So see, as you can see here, see the front wheel actually is not rolling at some point. Okay, really awesome. We really need to thank Mattel for all these awesome castings. Not rolling really well, a lot of paint issues. So I think really, they are really expecting us to do all those things, just like Ubisoft does those things. See, it has a lot of wheel wobble, and the entire car actually is doing this roll, which is really worst. Okay, again, so this one tops the chart of being the worst rolling casting, I can say. But rest of the things looks really nice. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.